Here's a quick reviews of my the way how I set up my Tesla wall chargers to charge my Tesla outside of the garage and with the garage doors closed. So the Tesla wall charger is right there, and the way how I installed it is that is the main panel. I ran the wire into the attic, go all the way here, and then it comes out, and then this is the and then I wired it up right here, and then so from here I ran a little wire to the garage door channel, as you can see right here, and then it go behind the door channel right here, and then there's a little hole that go through, and then so I can charge my Tesla right there. And let me show you how I close the doors, the garage doors. So also, as you can see right here, there's that little hole right here that fit perfectly to the Tesla wire, and then the door doesn't even hit the cable at all. And then also, if you can see right here, I put the little sleeve to protect the wire, so you can see that it's very cheap. It's like $5 something like that, and I wrap around the Tesla cord to protect it. So you can see I style the protector from the top all the way to the bottom, and I protect the whole thing. So as you can see, that's just the way how I charge my Tesla out in the driveway with the garage door closed.